Hi friends, welcome to our channel Cute Little Ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification button.
Oh, where's my other earring? Vasha, do you know where my other earring is?
Inside this treasure box.
Oh, it's so messed up. How do you expect me to play treasure hunt right now when I'm getting late? How many more times I organize this box, it keeps getting messed up. That's why I found a way to organize all my earrings. Friends, do you know what this is? This is an embroidery ring. When you loosen the screw, the inner ring comes off. But when you fit it like this and tighten the screw, it gets tightly fitted. We are going to use this to organize our earrings. We are now going to paint this using red acrylic paint. It's easier when you remove it and paint it. It has almost dried. We'll stick these stones here. Take a piece of net fabric. It should be circular in shape. After placing it like this, just tighten the screw. Our organizer is ready. Now I'll tell you how to use it. You can hang your hangings here. Earrings too. You can even hang these type of earrings. Because it is netted fabric, there won't be any damage even after repeated use. See? Now it's ready to be hung on the wall. What to wear today? Now you can choose easily, pick easily, and wear easily. You can hang it anywhere in your wall or closet.
If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, tell us how well your craft came out in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.